once you've created your sales order, you go under Sales AR and hit Order Management and find your sales order. From here, you can manage the bundles and select which items you want to go in each bundle. From here, you can print the bundles, which will give you both a bundle traveling document for your warehouse workers to select, to pull together the items they need from the warehouse, and then the labels to place on the boxes themselves. Once the bundling has been complete, you can generate a pick list from the sales order. Select every item related to this sales order, and it releases the pick list. And once that is done, you will find that pick list listed here. From here, you can assign each pick list a truck and a driver, and also which sequence each order is to be delivered in. And once all of these values have been entered, the pick list is ready to be picked.
So once the pick list has been created in SAP and you've selected the truck and driver, the warehouse workers can go ahead and start the picking process. So if they log in to the app, go to Picking and Upcoming Picks, it will show them a list of pick lists on each individual trucks that are to be delivered that day. So if you then click on the order itself, you can begin picking. So first, to pick, you scan in the warehouse location. And after you've scanned the location, you will scan the barcode on the item you are loading onto the truck. And then you hit Submit. And from there, that item has been loaded onto the truck. If for any reason you need to unload it from the truck, you can press this button up here, and then scan the item. And once you hit Unload, it will then be unloaded. Bundles work with the same process. First you scan in the warehouse location, and then the bundle barcode. When you hit Submit, that will load that onto the truck. There's one more bundle on this. And once everything has been loaded onto the truck, you can hit Submit, and then scan the truck to complete. And once you've done that, everything on that pick has been fully loaded into the truck, and you can go through the same process to load all the other pick lists. All right, so once all the pick lists have been loaded onto the truck, the truck driver can then begin the delivery process. If they click on Delivery and go to My Truck, They will see a list of all of the orders that are currently on their truck and ready to be delivered. Once they've arrived at each destination, they can click on the sales order and then verify that all of the items have been dropped off at the location. They can then get a customer signature and take a photo. They can also enter comments that will be available in the delivery. Once they are done, they can hit the deliver button, which will automatically send the delivery to SAP. So there is a new drop-down on the delivery screen in which you can choose to either block the delivery unless everything's been scanned off the truck, deliver partial with only the scanned items being on the delivery, or do a full delivery ignoring whatever's been scanned. If you try to deliver before anything's been scanned off with this option, it will shoot you an error message and tell you what needs to be scanned. If you try to scan something that is not meant for this delivery, it will give you another error message saying that it is not part of the delivery, and again giving you the items you need. Then you can scan the items that are meant to be on the delivery. And once that they have both been scanned, or once they have all been scanned, a prompt will tell you that all items have been unloaded. Can hit OK, and hit deliver.
So once the delivery has been put into the system, you can then find it under the order management screen. And as you can see, it has all the information from the sales order, the comments we've put into the system, and it also has the signature and picture. So to start the installation, you can select the line of the delivery and create a service call. You can then select who the service call will be handled by. And then schedule its date. Enter a subject. And add. Once the service call has been added and assigned to the installer can then log into the app, and this will work on any device, be it a phone or computer, and does not require the Adapt-to-Scan app. They will then go into Service and look at My Service Calls. The information will be shown here on their agenda. If you go to the week view, you can then see it here on the calendar. And then they will have all the necessary information. From here, they can type information into the description once they're done installing,
and then change the status to complete. Once they hit the Save button, the installation process has finished.
Upon creating a sales order, each sales order will show up in the order management screen. If you select the line of the sales order by clicking here to the left, and then click the Create Service Call button, it will automatically bring in the necessary information from the sales order and link it back. Under the report section, under Service, you can find the Service Calls report, in which, based on whatever criteria you select, you can find the list of service calls and manage them from this screen here. If you drill down into the service call, it will take you back to this screen. Under the Query Manager, located here, you can find a list of all open sales orders with install line. And if any of them have a service call associated with them already, it will show up here.